You know, some nights you want just a good old-fashioned supper. Nothing fancy, just hearty, filling, and full of flavor. That's exactly what this old-school goulash is. Seasoned ground beef, tender pasta, and a rich savory sauce, all coming together in one pan. And once you try it, it's one of those meals you'll keep coming back to. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is get some ground beef into a pan over medium-high heat. And we'll just go ahead and break this up a little bit, and I have lost my breaker-upper thingy again. Then fry this until it's no longer pink and cooked through. And this shouldn't take very long, maybe 5 minutes or so. Now, some people are going to say ground beef is so expensive. Well, you might be able to get away with using ground turkey, ground chicken, even wieners. But if you do use that, let me know. I'm really curious. We are just about cooked up here, and there's a bit of grease. You can drain it, but I'm going to leave it. It's a bit of flavor. So what we're going to do is move that ground beef to one side of the pan. And in we go with a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of the good old garlic, and stir and saute this until that onion becomes translucent and that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. Okay, next up we're going to grab a green bell pepper and cut the cheeks off. Go ahead and cut that into slices. Then do exactly the same thing for a red bell pepper. You know, you could use multiple colors. You could also use yellow if you like, or even orange. And then just dice everything up. Of course, into the pan we go with those red and green bell peppers. And we'll continue to stir and fry these until they're mixed well and a little bit on the tender side. Okie dokie, it is time to grab up a jar of stewed tomatoes from last year's garden. Of course, the good old grocery store canned works well too. So we shall just go ahead and throw these into the mix. Then follow that up with a can of tomato soup. Yes, tomato soup, believe it or not. It adds that beautiful richness to our old school goulash. And lastly, half a cup of good rich beef broth. Give everything a good mixification here, or mixing I should say. Now it is time to season with a little bit of salt, not too much because that soup has a lot of sodium in it. A good heaping teaspoon of ground black pepper. I just love ground black pepper, but you know, you be the boss. And something you just have to have is about half a tablespoon of the good old Worcestershire sauce. And you know what? I'm going to throw in a teaspoon or so of Italian seasoning because it's got everything in it. And something I forgot to show guys, but it's a must, is a good heaping teaspoon of smoked paprika. Anyway, we'll give this a good stir around. And I know some people are going to say this is not Hungarian goulash. No, it's not. It's an old school goulash dish that my uncle threw together that I loved so much. Maybe call it American chop suey, whatever you like. Regardless of what you call it, it is so good. At any rate, we'll let this simmer away for about 5 minutes or so. Then in we go with a cup and a half of macaroni noodles. Now you don't have to use macaroni, you can use whatever pasta you have. I just like macaroni. Of course, we'll stir those noodles into the mixture. Oh man, this is looking good. I mean, my friends, is it just me or is this kind of like the goulash that you used to make or your family used to make? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but let me know in the comments section. Now we'll just throw a lid on this and let it simmer away for about 10 or 12 minutes until those noodles cook. After about 10 or 12 minutes, we are looking mighty fine here, but we ain't done yet because I'm going to add in some old, sharp cheddar cheese, which is actually going to give it that final finessing touch. Then one final stir around so that cheese incorporates with all that other goodness. Oh my, this is looking fine. And you know what? I am really impressed with this texture. Anyway, it is time to plate this up for some good old eating. And I don't know, between you and I and the neighbor standing at the fence, this is looking pretty darn good. So there you have it, my friends, our old school goulash. Simple, easy, kind of economical, and ever so good. And you bite into this, you are going to love every bite. The entire family is going to love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday in our next humdinger video.